I've got 2 children and work full time, so finding the time was difficult, but I'm glad I done it. Yeah, I learnt a lot. Because I work at a school as well, it's all theory, and it was nice really to come into school and be able to put all the theory into practice with the children.
Students learn about a variety of topics on the foundation degree in learning support. They learn about specific learning difficulties such as dyslexia and dyspraxia. They also learn about autistic spectrum disorders and particular areas of need for individual children. So basically students are learning new skills and taking knowledge with them that will help to improve their practice.
I enjoyed the knowledge I gained from doing each of the modules and being able to have debates in the class with the teacher and the other students as well on how different schools work and why they work, and the debates were very interesting. It's definitely helped my career because it's opened up many opportunities for me, and now I'm a qualified level 5. It has opened up opportunities within the school.
So all of the students undertake a work placement. The placements are for a minimum of 12 hours per week, which is usually 2 days. That runs for the duration of the course. The students are expected to undertake independent study, but the actual time that you need to spend in college is just 4 hours. To gain a higher education qualification, I think that's fantastic.
I'm going to do my top up in early years care and education. I wouldn't mind working with children or adolescents with mental health. When we actually graduated last week, for my children to see me graduating, I thought it was just so nice for them to see, and it's just something for them to look up to really.
I would definitely recommend the foundation degree learning support to other people.
If somebody's debating whether or not to come on the course, I'd say go for it. You get an opportunity to study somewhere local, you get an opportunity to gain yourself a higher education qualification. Regardless of having that level 5, level 6 qualification, you get to go away with a vast amount of knowledge that's going to make your job much more rewarding, much more worthwhile.